Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how admin can actually view suppliers. So we have an option here, you can see add supplier. So we can actually add supplier. Now let's add here one more option, that is view supplier. So let's go back to the code editor. Here in the navigation, you will find it inside views, inside resources we have views, and then you will find layout. And inside layout, we have registration.blade.php, and here we are going to add in the navigation link. Okay, here you can see navigation link. You may search here on like navigation links and you will find this. So here you can see dashboard, then we have add category, view category, add supplier, right? So let's copy this link and paste it once again so that we can add one more link, and that is for the view supplier. So it will be view supplier. Let's change here view supplier. Okay, view, VIEW, and let's copy this. Let's change here, and so everything is done. Now I want to actually copy this. Okay, let's copy the route name and let's go back to the routes, then web.php. Here we have to create a route inside admin middleware. Here you can see, so we are going to create admin middleware route here, and here we are going to copy a get route. Let's say this one. Let's copy this route, paste it, change the name. We can actually cut it from here. So let's cut, let's change the name, and here we can actually say view supplier. Okay, here view supplier, and S should be capital letter. Okay, so let's copy this and let's create a function in admin controller. So inside admin controller, we'll actually create a function. So app, then http, then controller, then admin controller. Here we are going to create a function. So let's create a function here, public function, then function name we have copied. Then here we are going to actually find all the suppliers. So I'll say $SUPPLIERS suppliers is equal to, I will say supplier model : all, so that I can find all the supplier. Now I will return a view from here, return view. Okay, so the view will be inside admin folder. So admin dot will say view supplier, SUPPLIER, and here we are going to compact the value. So comma compact, and here I'm going to compact the value, and that is suppliers. Okay, so now we have to actually create view supplier view inside admin. Okay, inside admin we are going to create new view, and that is view supplier dot blade dot php. Done. Now we can actually copy from dashboard. Maybe we can copy from view category, right? Because we have used here bootstrap table. Here you can see. So we are going to paste it, and here we have compact what? Compact dollar suppliers, right? So we'll change it from here. Let's go. Here you can see we have for each. So we are going to change here suppliers, and here we are going to say supplier. Okay, single supplier will show, and here will be supplier name at first. So I will say supplier name. Then we'll copy this and we'll paste it here. Let's remove this. We don't need supplier ID, we need supplier contact. Okay, contact. Okay, and then we have TD. So inside TD we are going to actually add this supplier. Okay, supplier. Here we are going to say supplier name. Okay, and then we have supplier, then we have supplier contact info, right? So let me check what is the column name, and that is supplier contact, right? Here you can see if I go to this structure, I can actually copy it from here, supplier contact. So let's copy this, go here and change here. All right, and now here we have TD, and okay, fine. So we are going to remove this route because we haven't actually created route for update and delete for this supplier option. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go and check, refresh. here we should add view supplier, right? Where it is, let's refresh here. Here you can see view supplier. So if I click on view supplier, you can see this is view. And what about supplier name? So I made a mistake here. Yes, so here I should say supplier name, right? Supplier underscore name, because this is the column name. If I go to the database, here you can see supplier name. So we just have to actually say here supplier name. Now if I refresh, here you can see supplier name and supplier contact information. So that's it guys, thank you so much for watching.